Hi, what are you looking at? Did you know that our pre-primary school is so much fun and unique? I see them coming to school with a bright smile every day. Oh really? What makes it so special about it? Our teachers use an activity-based approach to teach where children learn by doing things. We also incorporate blended learning and nature walks to create an engaging and holistic learning experience.
Wow, that sounds exciting, but what about the syllabus?
Don't worry about that. We follow the CBSE curriculum aligned with NCF and NEP.
Look at there, Montessori. Ma'am, could you please explain what is Montessori?
Yes, for sure. Montessori activities are like hands-on learning. It helps them to build the skills like independence, problem solving, and creativity. It's like learning through play.
It sure is. Our pre-primary schooling really sets the foundation for a happy and bright future.
Oh, I wish I could go back and join them.
Me too. It's the perfect way to learn and grow while having fun.